And over in Buena, Vista, St. Elizabeth, residents are living in fear as the rain continues to affect the parish in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Here is Kalisha Williams with that story.
This is all that's left of the bridge that connected sections of Northampton to Buena Vista in St. Elizabeth. Buildings now precariously perched on the edge of what is now a massive drainage system.
It was just a small drain, but since the hurricane come down, it cut it out this big. As if the rain start fall and the water start come down, we don't have nowhere to go over. We have to stay till maybe if the water run off. So we reach home. We have a lot of people who use this bridge to come across. As you can see, how many houses are here.
I want tree, me have to climb grass. I edit then I couldn't grass nowhere else. I want tree drop grass where I'm just climb on it and go across. Because the only bridge I bought is going for ancient days. And you wash away totally.
So while sections of the community have been destroyed by the hurricane, residents said the bridge is their most pressing need. It is even more concerning with more rain in the forecast for the rest of the week.
But we just want a little road to cross the bridge. We don't want, if they can help with the house, fine. But if they can help the community for about 10 houses or 11 houses over there. So if they can give you a bridge we could go across, we're grateful for it.
We actually a little thing.
We actually a thing for yourself, man. We don't really want pressure government for nothing for. Because all both, all Westmoreland and see what happened, but we just want a bridge.
After the summer came here, everything, earth moved, leave all these stones and stuff like that. I was so terrified when I came and saw it because I was saying that I wasn't going to come back in the building, but someone came across from there and told me that dirt was still here. So that's the reason why I come down by this side here. It was very, very frightening. There was a big tree over there, and I was saying to my boss that this tree have to get rid of because it would mash up the shop if it drop on it. And the morning I came, there was no tree. The water took the tree and everything and went with it.
Our news team was advised that political representatives visited the area to carry out an assessment of the damage. But based on the magnitude of the devastation across the parish and the rest of Western Jamaica, it may take some time before the bridge is replaced. That aside, other residents say what they need right now is water.
Well, where would I get water from? Through the current gone. We can't get no transport to transport water to us because buy water. Because there's a line there but no water not coming into the line.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.